trying to hurry. I got a late riding call for today. So we're gonna head out and go riding, but trying to get all my gear together. God, this is a mess. I don't know what I'm doing here. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, gabe.gtz, link in the description, dude. It's always been there. Oh my God, it's so hot, dude. So this morning was literally like cold. Like it was so cold this morning. I got in, turned the heater on blast. Now I'm turning it off. I think it's just because of all the stuff I was just literally doing. But heading on out now. As you guys seen, loaded up my dirt bike. So I ended up getting like a last minute call of going riding, free riding, which is actually my favorite kind of riding. So we're gonna go hit the hills right now. My cousin's buddy's house, so that's where they call me, and that's where we're gonna take off from, which he kind of lives over by the foothills of where we're gonna go riding. I obviously live right on the mountain, but we obviously can't even ride dirt bikes. Can't even start my dirt bike up here, I don't think. I'm sure I can start it, but you obviously can't be riding out here in the neighborhood up here. But there is a ton of mountains out here that are fun, and I actually used to ride out here all the time back when I was like in high school and all that. These are like my stomping grounds for riding these hills all back here. The valley view right there looks dope today. Might start riding the track again. I used to hate the track, and I used to talk a bunch of crap about the track just because it's so boring, like going around in circles. And coming from freestyle, I mean, you guys can see where riding the track gets pretty boring. Although now it'll probably be so much fun just because I don't even get any freestyle action, anything. I don't get anything. So this free ride should be pretty dope. I'm like sitting in the corner waiting for my cousin to come because that's who I'm going riding with, is him and his friends, as I said. And there he is. If you guys remember my old dually, so sick right here. That's actually the dually that I took to SEMA back in 2015, I believe it was. I don't know why he's got mud flaps on that thing. He's probably got a ticket and could get it signed off or something, but he really needs to get that thing taken care of. I think the one time I put mud flaps on one of my trucks that I had it was a 16-inch lift on a DURAMAX, and I got a ticket and I couldn't get the ticket signed off in time, so I ended up having to go to the police station, literally park the block away from the police station, put one bolt on a mud flap on each side, and the cop didn't even come outside. He just looked at the window and said, okay, you got mud flaps on, I'll sign it. Boom, signed it off, drove out, took the mud flaps off like a block away, and that was literally the only time I have ever put mud flaps on it. So nobody ever really even seen it other than that cop. This dude has been rolling around like this for I don't even know how long, but I seen that truck just the other day and it had those same mud flaps. So I'm about to give him some shit about that right now. Let's do this. badass day of riding, that's for damn sure. Arms, got the arm pump going. Dude, that was dope. All loaded, ready to go. Gotta take all this off now. Gotta strip it down. Put this, where's my gloves at? Here, it's leaving, but that's the old truck right there. And I'm out of my gear. I don't know what I did with my gloves. What the hell? Oh, I think I threw my gloves in my backpack. Normally, like, my adrenaline is from like my big metal jump or you know, like doing these big jumps. I haven't had adrenaline since like high school of riding in town, which was insane. And now, like, wheeling the sidewalks and wheeling the roads in town, and people just looking at you and they're just tripping. And just like that, this riding day is over, but I cannot go without my Monster and also some Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew is always bomb. I haven't had it in so long, but it's here, it's bomb. I don't know why my glasses are on. The sun was in my eyes when I was driving this way. But I am the kind of dude that always wears my glasses indoors sometimes. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked it, please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, that notification bell, so you guys are notified every time I post a video like this one. And if you guys do like this kind of content, I will be more than happy to go and record over in the hills where I usually ride, and I have some huge jumps there where I used to ride, not where I usually ride, where I used to ride. But I would be so stoked to go back out there and hit the big jumps. There's literally one side of a mountain that I hit, it's like 120-foot jump. It's so dope. Like, you literally have to like you have to like whip the whole side of a mountain. Just the dopest thing, and I know I can probably shoot some dope video there, and I will do that. If you guys like this kind of content, I'll kind of mix it all up. Obviously, it's a vlog channel, so it's pretty much my life. And that is it for this one. Like I said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.